MBRP's cool dual series of F-150 Cat-Back exhaust kits ditch the boring factory-style single-side exhaust exit for a more unique and aggressive look with a dual rear exit design. The first step after removing the stock exhaust is to trim the inlet pipe on MBRP's exhaust kit to the correct length for your truck's specific wheelbase. After that is completed, it can be attached to the truck's downpipe with the supplied clamp. Now the muffler is ready to be installed to the inlet pipe, followed by the driver and passenger side over axle pipes. Now the tailpipes can be installed to the over axles, along with the new exhaust hanger for the driver's side tailpipe. Once everything is tightened down, the polished exhaust tips can be bolted to the tailpipes.